Hello, student. Let's try to see the chapter light, reflection, and refraction. So, what is light, student? That we need to know. We see a variety of objects in the world around us. Whatever the things are there, student, like we see ourselves, or we see the trees, buildings, and everything. However, we are unable to see anything in the dark room. So if the dark room is there, we will not be able to see anything, student. It has to be the lighted. On lighting up the room, things become visible. What makes things visible? What makes things visible? During the day, the sunlight help us to see the object. An object reflect light that fall on it. What the point here you need to need to understand, student. Sunlight helps to see the object, and object reflect the light that fall on it. This reflected light, when received by our eyes, enable us to see the things. When the reflected rays coming to our eyes, then it enable us to see the things. We are able to see through the transparent medium as light is transmitted through it. So medium should be what, student? That should be the transparent medium. The medium should be transparent. If the opaque medium is there, like the wall is there, you will not be able to see what is behind the wall. There are a number of common wonderful phenomena associated with the light, such as image formation by mirror, the twinkling of stars, the beautiful color of rainbow, bending of light by medium, and so on. A study of the properties of light help us to explore them. By observing the common optical phenomena around us, we may conclude that light seems to travel in a straight line. It travel in a straight line. This fact that a small source of light casts a sharp shadow of an opaque object point to this straight line path of light, usually indicated as ray of light. Now, student, if an opaque object on the path of light become very small, light has tendency to bend around it and not walk in a straight line. An effect known as diffraction of light, then the straight line treatment of optics using ray falls. To explain phenomena such as diffraction, light is thought of as wave, the detail of which you will study in higher classes again. At the beginning of 20th century, it became known that the wave theory of light often become inadequate for the treatment of the interaction of light with matter, and light often behave somewhat like the stream of particle. This confusion about the true nature of the light continue for some years till a modern quantum theory of light emerged, in which light is neither a wave nor a particle. So light is having both the particle, student, wave nature and particle nature. The new theory reconcile the particle properties of light with the wave nature. Now, in this chapter, we shall study the phenomena of reflection and refraction of light using the straight line propagation of light. This basic concept will help us in the study of some of the optical phenomena in nature. We shall try to understand in this chapter the reflection of light by a spherical mirror and refraction of light and their application in the real life situation. So we have to study the reflection and secondly refraction of light. Reflection means was bouncing back of the light, student. This is a reflection, and bending of light is called refraction. Reflection of light: a highly polished surface such as mirror reflect most of the light falling on it. You are already familiar with the law of reflection of light. What is? Let us recall this one. The angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection, and incident rays normal to the mirror at the point of incident and reflected rays all lie in the same plane. These law reflection are applicable to all type of reflecting surface including spherical surface. You are familiar with the formation of image by the plane mirror. What are the properties of image formed by the plane mirror? Is always virtual, erect. The size of the image is equal to the that of the object. The image is formed is as far behind as the mirror as the object in front of it. Further, the image is literally inverted. How would the image be when the reflected surface are curved? Let us explore. So, what the point they are saying, student? Suppose this is the polished surface, and when the incident rays is falling, it will be reflect, means bounce. What will happen, student? Both the angle of incident I equal to angle of reflection I. Angle I equal to angle R. Secondly, the incident rays, this is the normal, student. This is, you can say, this is normal, this is incident, and this is reflected. All are in same plane. These all things are same plane. This is what the answer. The curved surface of shining spoon conclude could be considered as a curved mirror. The most commonly used type of curved mirror in the spherical mirror. The reflecting surface of such mirror can be considered to form a part of surface of sphere. Such mirror whose reflecting surface are spherical are called spherical mirror. As we shall now study about the spherical mirror in the same detail. Thank you.